Good morning, my dear students. In last class, we completed the new topic is using mental strategies. Today, the new topic is multiplication strategies from page number 54. From page number 54. First of all, we have to understand some vocabularies here. What is product? Product means what? The answer you get when you multiplied two or more numbers together. If it's maybe 2 or maybe 3 also. Like example, here I read it. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. So what happened here? 2 multiplied by 3 how much? 6. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24, right? So multiply anyway. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 12 multiplied by 2 is 24. The answer is called product. The answer is called product. Okay. Now what is array? Items such as objects or numbers arranged in rows and columns. So this is the row. So total we know that here 10, right or no? 10 triangles I draw here. But here this is called like this way is called row, and like this one is called column. So how many rows are there? 1 and 2. So there are how many rows? Check it here. How many rows? There are 5. Okay. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 columns. Sorry, there are 2 rows. There are 2 rows, and how many columns are there here? 5 columns, right? So 2 5s how much? 2 multiplied by 5 equal to 10. Look at here. So total there are 10 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So remember, this is called row and this way is called column. Okay, there are 2 rows here. 1 and 2 only. 2 rows and 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 times 5 equal to 10. Okay. Now expression. What is the meaning of expression? A group of signs and number that show how much something is. For example, 6 plus 2 is an expression for 8, right or no? Like not only plus, you can use a minus also, like 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is how much? 4. This is also one expression. 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. This is also a one expression. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. This is also an expression. Okay. So now question number 1. Here's the question number 1. 12 multiplied by 8. Okay. Here I multiply directly, but there is another method also. If you feel difficult, 8 table, there is another method. Okay. 8 times 2 how much? 16. 6 and 1 carry. 8 times 1 how much? 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Suppose this 8 I can write it 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, right or no? That means double every time. So if I double 12, what is double of 12? 24. That means one time done, right? Again answer is 24. If the answer is 24, if I want to double again, because multiply by 2 means double. 24 2 times how much? 48. One more times over. Again if I write it 48 multiply by 2, how much? 96. Look at here, the same answer. That means every time double the answer. Because 8 means I can write it 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. Why? Because 2 2s are 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So whenever 8, if you don't want to suppose any big number, you can do it 3 times double. 3 times double. But answer, not number. Okay. Whatever, like 12 multiplied by 2 equal 24. That means one time is over. Then 24 multiplied by 2 double. Otherwise you can add also 24 plus 24. Similarly here also same thing here. Look at here, 15 multiplied by 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 0 and 4 carry. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 20. If I want like this with double, 15 times 2, how much? 30. Okay, 8 I can write what? 2 times 2 times 2. That means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That means one time multiplication means done. Next again, what I will get the answer? Again double it. 13 multiplied by 2 is 60. Again 16 multiplied by 2 is 120. Look at here, same answer. Okay, it's also same way. 8 times 3 is 24. Then 8 2s are 16 plus 2 is 18. Okay. Now look at the question number 2. Ahmed has a collection of racing cars. He puts them in this array. Write an expression for the total number of racing cars in collection. So first of all, check it. Just before I already explained what is array. Row and column. It is arranged in terms of row and column. So how many rows are there? If you check it, this is the row, right? How many rows are there? 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 rows. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns. So remember, row means like horizontally. This is also called horizontally, and column means it is vertically. Okay. So there are 5 rows. So 3 times 5 almost 15 racing car. If you calculate totally, it should be 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15 racing cars. Okay, now look at here. Work out the following. 400 multiplied by 9. So how you multiply? 400 multiplied by 9. Just multiply the, don't look at the zero, just multiply with the 4 multiplied by 9. How much? 4 times 9 is 36. Here is the 2 zeros, so add the 2 zeros to the answer. That's it. Like here 60 multiplied by 8. 6 times 8 is how much? 48. Then here is a 1 0, so write it here, 1 0. 3 times 7 equal to 21. Then here is the 2 zeros, so add 2 zeros. Okay. Now question number 4 is what? Last question of the today. What is the product of 709? 709. So what is 709? So first multiply. Product means the answer. When you multiply, you will get the answer. The answer is called product. So 7 times 9 equal to 63. Then here is a 2 zeros. So here are 2 zeros. So this is called product. So your homework is page number 55, question number 3, D, E and F. I hope you understand today's classwork. If you have any more questions, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.